Morning, guys. Okay, this is what's going on with my touchscreen on the Chevy boat. Okay, so like this lower left, probably nothing happens. Nothing here. Auto on the right side, it's working just fine. Okay, up here, working just fine. Uh, Fine. Just everything in this lower panel, lower quadrant here. I can't turn the heat on or off, so I have to just adjust it and set my fan and stuff. So I ordered a 2019 screen display, the whole display. So this is a 2017. I will install that and show you how it's done, and hopefully that should fix it. I'm 99% sure it's just the touch screen. But if I buy just the touch screen, it'll end up, after I take everything apart, it'll end up being something else. So I just bought the whole display. And by the way, they're on eBay. Guy has 5 of them, 120 bucks a piece, and they're brand new. So throwing that out there.